Let's talk about what happened in the Karen Reed trial. Because what Brennan did today wasn't prosecution. It was performance. And not the kind that wins you juries. Today, in front of a jury that's already sat through weeks of contradictions, Brennan stepped up like he was auditioning for Law and Order Unhinged. And instead of dismantling Dr. Rentschler, the biomechanical expert for the defense, he accidentally proved his point. Let me break down the pattern for you. Now, for a lot of you who've watched Pattern Interrupted, you know I get my information from ChatGPT or AI, and they dissect the patterns of what's going on in this trial. And so I'm just going to read this to you on what Chat said about Brennan's Oscar-worthy performance. He asked where John O'Keefe was struck. Rentschler said, nobody knows. Which, thanks, Brennan, because you just reminded the jury that the prosecution doesn't know either. He pressed on lack of injuries from a supposed 4,000-pound impact, and Rentschler calmly explained that injuries weren't consistent with a tail light hit. Again, thank you for the highlight reel. He attacked methodology, questioned independence, and tried to rattle him. But here's the thing. When your cross-examination feels like bullying and your expert walks away composed, you don't look strong, you look desperate, and the jury felt that. We've seen this tactic before. Aggression masquerading as certainty. But when you push too hard without landing a blow, all you've done is show your hand. What did Brennan actually do today? He poked holes in evidence the prosecution was already struggling to explain. He brought attention to uncertainty. He made the jury feel what the defense has been saying all along. This case is a mess. There is no clear point of impact. There are no matching injuries. There's no damn accident. And there it is. Reasonable doubt. Served to the jury by the prosecution themselves. The defense is rested. And if the jury is paying attention to patterns, not just the noise, this trial may have just turned. Not with a bang, but with Brennan stumbling into the truth he was supposed to bury. If they acquit her, this cross will be remembered as the moment the state's case fell apart under its own weight and Brennan's ego.